So let's look at the first verb. Ga. Number one beginning. Look at number one of the verbs. Open to this. Prepositions is still in prepositions. Let's do preposition for the sentence because of this.
Yes, I'm back now. Thank you.
Can we go to prepositions? That thing is about to down here. Well, these are slides.
Yes, it's connected now.
Slides. We need the slides. You can't see with this one. That's there. Uncle, please come. Sir.
Okay.
This TV is bluish. Is that the color?
Yes.
It cannot be bluish. Somebody touched the color.
Are you sure that the cold at the back is not shaking? Because that will contribute to it. Yes, it's connected to it, yes.
It's the feedback, honestly. It cannot be the color, sir. Nobody buys a TV with this color without a feedback.
Maybe you should check if it's
Check with the other things too, and it's not okay.
Thank you. So we are doing prepositions. Let's do prepositions on the just speak, yeah? So that when we start making sentences, we just flowing. So prepositions are called prepositions are called mbuzo. Write it down. That's prepositions. Mbuzo again. Prepositions. We've done verbs. We've done adverbs, right? We are doing prepositions now. Then we'll do adjectives. Okay. Are we good? Are we good? So where is this now? Prepositions. Who's on the kumaka? Ebenyeno means where things are located. Where things are located. Now look at that girl. Where is she? Just look at the position. She's on top. She's on. Right? So on top, up, nelu. So let's go. Only the fear say the challenge.
right on top.
Yes, now nelu on top, above, on, up. Honey nebo free here, they're all the same. You see, okay. Only like my name is this one. The next one. Mr. Charles, next slide please. Quick. Where is he now?
On the floor.
Down. On the floor. On the ground. Down. On the floor. On the ground. Nala. Sure you're writing the Igbo and the English. Maybe just say the chala.
We are not stringing this class.
Okay,
No,
Charles.
we are not going to string this class. It's only just that food that was stringing. Ma,
Yes, yes. Want to stream it?
we are already live.
Happy.
Just
Next.
It's
Leave it, happy. Next. No, before this now, there is one that is missing. The one that is go backward. Nazo. Oh, capacity. Okay, Gawa. Gawa.
That is all. I'm at the end.
Okay, so she missed one, which is on capacity. So under is no guru. Go to the chart, Mr. Chris, Mr. Charles. Go to the chart.
Yes, I'm going there.
What? Zoom in. Yes, now look at, where is she? Under. So under begini. Also under begini. Loguru. What they told ya? Loguru under. It is the family. Tell her that we don't want that family. The family we want is the slides. We want the summer slide. Okay, keep it quiet. Don't worry, let me do it.
Have you sent me the link, class link?
After beside, the next one. In front is Nihu. N apostrophe IHU. Nihu. In front. That's on the screen. Please can you go with it? Up or color. That's good. So that's in front. So the next one, Unalechala. I'm name also. Nazu. Gini Nazu? Chiso. Gini Nazu? At the back behind. We are moving very fast. Oh, sorry. It's big way anyway. Big way anyway. Big way anyway.
Biko.
That's a apology. Mr. Charles, can we go say? Where did you stop?
I stopped at Nakoko beside.
Nakoko.
Beside.
One. Next. Mr. Charles. Yes. Nihu. Gini bu Nihu?
In front.
Yes. You just said the chabo.
This travel.
Charles, please. Cabo, Gini. Sikora, what would this be? Behind that beginning. Behind the beginning. Nazu. We keep going. So, Lion and Kakita. Kenya nke a ga-abụ onye ọbụla n'anya gịnị bụ nke a? Where is the dog located? Look at the animal. We have done that. No, not about hand, no. It's not closed. It's closed, yes, but not closed now. Good job, honey. At his left hand side. So by the left, na kebe. Boya, see by the left, na kebe. You have to say the way I said it. Boya comes to Boya. By the left, na kebe.
By the left, na kebe.
Choma ndicho na kebe. Oh, teachers, you don't tell us. Then the next, you should be done with this one now. Yes.
What do you want to be in radio?
Nri. Nri is food. What is aka?
Aka is hand.
What is aka nri?
Hand food.
Aka is hand food. Translate it properly. Translate is hand food, but then make it make sense with English language. Hand for food.
Oh, hand for food.
Hand used for food. So akanri. So nakanri by the hand used for what? Yeah, you know that's because we're in the contemporary time. Ideally, it is even a taboo to use left hand to do anything in Igbo culture. Yes, you don't shake an elder with your left. You don't give an elder something with your left. It is seen as a proper what? Disrespect. You must use your what? Your right hand. But contemporarily, times have changed, things are evolving, right? That's what it means in Igbo. So we now accept the child with the left hand, the child with the right hand. Everybody.
My brother has a phone left hand.
A lot of persons. My daddy has both hands. He does left and right.
I'm ambidextrous.
Okay, you too.
No.
When I come with gestures,
I'm ambidextrous. That's when you have the ability to use the
right and left. Okay, you do that too.
No.
Okay, my dad does that. Yeah, same on my juju. Who else? See, everywhere my juju. Okay. Nothing. We correct it to the right first.
That's what my mom did.
She corrected it to the right.
Anytime I was standing, use the left hand will hold you.
Times have changed. So, Nakanri. Okay, I'm in the building already. Okay. Please. Yes, please, right. Let me see.
No. Oh no, this one is different.
Yes,
It's different.
this is to be part of
It's
it.
different. It's spelling is different. This one has that.
The one I'm using to answer the screen. Okay, you use it. You need to register.
give her with a key. Every day it's one person. You need a caregiver with a key. Where's your room? It's open. Anybody with a key? Any caregiver with a key? You should have finished the preparation by now. In the middle, okay, the meanings. Okay, so Netiti, look at the picture of Netiti. Where is the girl standing? In the middle, yes. Yeah, in between, in the middle, yeah. We are hot in this class. Am I the only hot person?
Because you've been moving around.
You've
been moving around.
I need a moving around. Okay. Get over. Now, so what do you think this could be? She's not inside. Near. Close to. No. Excuse me. What's your name? It's me, man. You're not going to tell me really water. Like 5. What do you say? No. Please feel free to snooze. Feel free to go watch him. You're a human being. Come on, sneeze, okay? Eh? Did you hear me? Is it how you sneeze? Okay, anyway. What is it anyway? What? My son is near. Okay, let's okay, I will give me. And so, yeah. Next one. And next one. Eba.
Yeah, it has been resolved. Okay. It has been resolved, thank you.
Eba. Give the boy Eba. See how she's pointing her hand. Dear. Eba. Where you look there.
I should go to the next one.
Yes. Eba here. No, speak Igbo, please. Because if everyone was to say Mela. So Eba, give me more Eba. Here, more Eba. Please call Mr. Tosi, tell him I'm in class. Tell him that Minimas is in class. I will talk when I'm just done.
I said he's around. You wanted to come.
Oh, yeah, tell him to come.
I told him already that we're in info. I don't know what
Tell him that Minimas is in info. She's in class. Okay, let's go. So, Ogola, Uncle, who better now?
no, it's still.
This extreme. So don't mind AI that did like this to the water. It just means extreme. Extreme means CC extreme. Yeah.
Yes.
I don't know what to do those days. teacher. So this is at the extreme. The next one. Nanjedebe. At the end, we will write it now. Nanjedebe at the end. Nambido is what? At the beginning. Okay. Quick. What's Wapunka. I'm not showing you to be here. So give me a lazy. Beautiful. Lazy go outside. Can you tell her? Did you tell him?
Yes, sir, I told you.
Obula?
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. So now, I get, okay. Chisomuagoya. Quickly. Don't waste time with this. Nelu. Nala. Nime now. You need to see inside it. Nime, you need to see it. Did you write inside?
No.
Inside is not in a flashcard, uncle. Inside is Nime. It's supposed to come, eh?
She's not here.
Let me see. This here, so Nime inside. Nina. Nala. N'okpuru. N'akụkụ. N'ihu. N'azụ. N'aka ekpe. You got it now. This flash is so near me. Any other one can stay. Like that lazy. Letiti. And so ebe ahụ. Ebe a. Good job. N'isi isi. Sit now. I don't understand. Read it at the end again. Good job, boy. Nanjedebe. Lazy. Good job. You see, keka kore aka. What? You know? Nelu. Nala. N'akụkụ. N'ihu. N'azụ. N'aka ekpe. N'etiti. Na nso. Near. You know you eat eba. Just say eba ahụ. Good job. Jisie ike. N'isi isi. Onye ọzọ. Onye ọzọ means repeat it. Njedebe at the end. N'akụkụ. N'ezi. N'ezi outside. N'azụ. N'azụ. Azụ. Azụ. Back. Azụ. Fish. Say achọrọ m ịga mpochi. Achọrọ m ịga. Go. To go. Ịga. We do not laugh in class. We do not. You don't laugh. If you laugh at somebody, how will the person learn? Please don't do that. Can you apologize to him right now, please? Say I'm going anywhere. No, we don't laugh in my class. In Babando, we don't laugh when people are learning to speak. We do not. We do not, and I'm not joking about it. We do not laugh. Say biko achọrọ m ịga mpochi. Moses means be fast. Next. Chisom iguchala. Chidera iguchala. Say n'ime bụ inside. Just about it's all la. Watch it, Choma, let's go. Nala. You're not even permitted to smile at yourself. You are doubting your confidence. Read it with all the confidence in the world. You are getting it. If you don't get it, I'll help you. I'm here. So read confidently. Don't even be afraid anybody will laugh. I'm here. If anybody laughs, I'll walk the person out. And I'm not joking. I'm serious. What? No uru. N'akụkụ. N'akụkụ. N'akụkụ.
Beside. In front.
N'azụ. N'azụ. Again. Na. Beautiful. Put ọzọ. Okay. N'azụ is at the back, not just back.
At the back.
So n'aka ekpe. Let me see what you wrote. Yeah, let me be sure you spell the right thing. Okay. N'aka ekpe.
On the left hand side.
Or we see by the left.
By the left.
N'aka nri.
Onye
ọzọ. Ọ bụghị nri. N'aka nri. So make it one word. N'aka nri. Na. I don't want you to say na. I akanri. Make na and aka one word. Na akanri. Na akanri. Again.
Nakari.
Beautiful also.
Nakari.
Ngonaga.
By my right hand side.
Obugi by my, don't say by my, just say by the right.
By the right hand side.
Mm-hmm.
Etiti.
Netiti.
Etiti.
Obugi ni, you have to say netiti.
Etiti.
Mm-hmm.
Na so close to.
Nanso.
Na so close to. Ebe ahụ.
Ebe ahụ. Eat eba every day. Ebe ahụ.
Ebe ahụ. Get. Ebe a. Here. N'asịsị.
N'isi isi.
N'isi. Extra. Na ebe at the middle.
No. At the middle.
Na ebe.
Let me sleep. Sorry. Nanjedebe. So you have to write it in such a way that you can see it clearly. Because if you struggle, let me tell you, Chema, how much was someone else? So you have to write it so that you understand and you say. So if your teacher is marking your exam, she doesn't get to struggle to read it because sometimes it will be correct. But because she can't see it clearly, she will be struggling. I don't know what is going on. Okay? Nanjedebe.
At the end. Na IGBO.
Nambido.
At the beginning. Lazy outside.
Beautiful. Well,
Nelu, Abu, Nala, down, or onto. No,
Gokuru.
Puru, under, Nakuku,
Nakuku.
decide,
Nakuku.
decide, Inhiu,
Nihu.
Nihi,
Nihu.
Nihu, in front, Azu,
Why didn't you put the N?
and Old,
There should be an N before theirs. There's an N before all of them. That N is N-A. Nazu.
Nazu,
Did you put the N? Okay.
Nakaike,
Nakepe.
Nakepe, left side,
By the left.
by the left,
Can you write that down?
by the left side, by the left.
Okay.
Nakanri,
Nakanri.
Akanri, by the right. Netiti,
Netiti.
Netiti, in the middle. Nanzo,
Nanso.
Nanso, near or close. Ebeabu,
Ebahu.
Ebabu, there. Isi, extreme. Naje ebe,
Nanjedebe.
and Nambido,
Nambido.
beginning,
At the beginning. Say at the beginning.
at the beginning.
Mm-hmm.
Inezi,
Lazy.
outside.
Mm-hmm.
Eva, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
Nimi, inside.
You see, Mr. Charles, speak out your adjectives. Name of them. Okay, so we are getting set to make sentences now, right? So we are going to make sentences with this verb now. Request for adjectives. While we are doing adjectives, can we read each and let's do names of food? So that when we just launch into making sentences, we can go on home.
Sikapa,
Rice, yes. Azu.
Azu,
Mm-hmm.
Osi,
Ose. G. Yeah, those ones are ingredients. But now we're going to look at the food. The food we cook with those ingredients. Isha. Ede. Cocoyam. Beautiful.
Yabas.
Yaba. The camp is working. The camp is working. So, I get never read each. Read each simply means food. In that you got one numbering. Then we're number 1, 2, 3, 4. So through the numbering. After you have the so what you have to food. Yeah, when you yeah. So after having the names of the food, you write the sentences. There are simple sentences there you need to write, and I need to write fast. You know those. Food. Achicha bread. Achicha bread. Abacha. Abacha does not have an English name. Yeah. Leave that in Africa. From where to where? Africa. From where to where? Only in this Nigeria alone, we have Zamfara, we have Gombe, we have Imo, we have Ekiti. And then you just bring one meal and you call it African salad. And they tell us margarita pasta. Do we have Igbo name for margarita pasta? Why must they Englishize everything for English everything? Abacha does not have an Igbo name, English name. Abacha Wogile Abacha. They should call our food by the name. Do we have an Igbo name for pizza? Amala. Does Amala have Igbo English name? Amala. Abacha is Abacha. Everything, let me tell you, Igbo language was on its own before the British people came. We were complete before these people. They even look, they just came. Who begged them to come? You are in your house, somebody came to your house, took over your house, threatened you want to call everything. Then if you call something in your language, you also call it in his language. Is it by force? Abacha is Abacha. They should call it Abacha. We will try it now, but we are first of all fighting that this Abacha is what? It's not any African salad. I'm eating one food they call gote. Gote. It's a typical something like Abacha, but from the northern side. So what would you call that? What's the English name? Is it? Northern side. So Abacha is Abacha. So let's try the sentences. Nkea. That Nkea you're seeing is NKA and then space A. Alright? So I just took away the A, the E for easy pronunciation. So Nka. This. That's what it means. This. Nkabwa achicha. Can we say that?
Nkabwa achicha.
This is bread.
How do I fall sick this in my phone?
We're coming there. We're coming. Write it down somewhere. Let's finish with the food because we're launching into sentences. After this now, we'll do animals and then so let's be fast. Nkabwa. Are we doing Nkabwa abacha?
Yes.
Well, let's read. Want to go?
Let's write it.
Yes. Write it so that it will stick. So once you're writing the food, you're putting it down. Can we read one for abacha? Want to go? What does it mean?
This is abacha.
Next, please when you're done writing, say Rachel and so Rachel knows what to do. Gioko, can we you just be writing, read first. So how would you say this is plantain? Fast.
The next one.
No, how can I do Gioko? It's okay, my mom leave water. When did my mom leave?
This one.
I hope she enjoyed our room. Why did you laugh? Did you marry? Did she enjoy it? You could not tell. If she didn't enjoy it, she would have said, oh yeah, I'm trying to pack your load. Pack your load, let's. She can see you enjoying it. Some call it Ogede.
Okay, I used to have it.
But the real Igbo name is Ujioko. So the next one, Utara na Ofe, swallow and soup. What is swallow called? Utara. Onye ọbụla say Utara.
Utara.
Na Ofe.
No.
Yes. So how would you say this is swallow and soup? Nka. This is swallow and soup. Nkabo. Chisu. See. Nkabo Utara na Ofe boya.
Nkabo Utara na Ofe.
Beautiful. Chisom. Keke be mo mmiri n'ọnụ. You have water in your mouth. So you can say abụ mo mmiri n'ọnụ. Ka anyị gawa n'ihu. Apart from the Utara na Ofe, let's talk about ka ebe maka ụfọdụ ofe anyị nwere n'ala Igbo. Ka ebe ụfọdụ ofe anyị nwere, some of our soups. Ofe ọha, so can you write it down? Ofe ọha. No, that one is just the ingredients. Ofe ọha. Kedu ofe ọzọ? Ofe onugbu. Ofe egusi, ofe ọgbọnọ. So these are some of our soups. Ofe nsala, ka onye nwe ofe nsala?
How do you say soup in Igbo?
Ofe. To say soup in Igbo, you just say ofe.
Okay. I spell the okay.
But you don't Utara na Ofe.
Oh.
So the next. What's called about the next one? Sikamdecha. What are you guys? Read first now. You see, I said you should read. What we go?
G apple cassava.
You don't let the yam. Another person will read cassava.
Nkabo G.
Nkabo.
Nkabo G.
Read again.
G Nkabo.
No, nka.
Nka.
But read again.
Nkabo G.
Start from G. Yeah.
G Nkabo G.
Chisom. Sorry, Choma. No, we're not with G. Next.
G apple.
G apple.
G apple. Cassava. Nkabo G apple.
Everybody writes it to me. Can we believe it one by one? Edechala. You see the Opa. Opa. Chidera go. You don't know Opa. Nkabo Opa. Chisom Babon Kedi. Yes. You see, you want this way. So, this is one of our language, just like this. It's pigeon pea. Oba is Bambara nut pudding. But leave it, don't leave those Bambara nut pudding. Oba is Oba. Do they have a name for their noodles? Oba is Oba. They should call it Oba.
It's like.
Momo.
Yeah, it's like momo.
You eat it on Saturday. It's more yummy than momo for me. Though. Nice, very nice. Especially when it's cooked by someone who knows how to cook it very well. So, you can also tell your bro, few of you know the chalanka.
Edit chabu. I know.
How many have we written now?
No, I've written 10 about it. No, she said we should write the ogbono and the other soup.
Ngwa. It's your turn.
Osikapa.
Osikapa.
Osikapa. Nkabu. Osikapa. Nkabu. Nkabu. Osikapa.
Go yourself.
Osikapa. Nkabu.
Nkabu. Osikapa. Hello. When we receive it, I'll let you know. I have not received it yet, but it's on our way to us. Oh, they said the flight didn't leave. Yes, thank you very much. Okay, then so tea abro gini.
Just one for his left hand.
So the next one was cereal. Cereal, nri ọka. So it means ọka is corn, right? You can even write corn. Ọka, corn. Before you write this nri ọka, you can write, or after writing nri ọka, you can write ọka, corn. Nke a bụ ọka, this is corn. But nri ọka simply means food made from what? Corn. So cereal. So it could be this, it could be swallow. There's a swallow we call nri ọka as well. A na-eji eri ofe. Ọ na-adịka semokwa. Nri ọka. Popcorn bụ ọka. Popcorn bụ popcorn. Maybe we call it achịcha ọka.
Is that for people?
I mean, achịcha kind of be like snack. Sometimes. So, nke a bụ nri ọka. Biko ka anyị gaa na nke na-esote ya. Anyị edechala nke a. Chioma edechala. Don't say I'm coming see offer obere. Or isi biko chere. Or isi biko chere too. Yes, chere too, like just a little moment.
Above a long moment. Like, don't take time.
Just say biko chere.
Biko with
Biko chere. Yeah. Ngwa. Say cream such as ngwa.
That is all.
Mba gawa ahụ na etikọtara ya ọnụ so nwe gawa ngwa lekwe nke a.
this is the last one.
Mba ọ bụghị last. Nke a bụ gịnị? Again? Ọzọ? Azụ. So how do you say this is fish? Good. Nke a kwanụ? Chisom, nke a bụ gịnị? Gịnị bụ nke a? Just call this. Anụ. Zikọrọ, kpọọ ya. Anụ. How do you say this is meat? Onye ọbụla gụọ ya.
Nke a bụ anụ.
Jisike Mr. Charles Tiger. Okay, chere chere. You should know how to say nkab by now. And as nkab, Chioma.
So they take challenges and done.
Edichalam for Imo Abia, but for Anambra say Edichalam. Some of people in Abia will say Edebalam. Edebalam.
So let's see if I'm done it, I can just say
Edechagum. If you don't mean anything, say Eme Chagum. Edechagum. Actually, future. Only I have the phone and the emoji. Okay. Yes. 8 minutes. Police. What's that kiss you got with that? Come, police. That's our police. So. He's there. No, I don't. Okay. So, Obola, Uncle Charles, let me get it with you. Agua, beans.
Agua beans.
Who likes when you have beans in Maseva? Mama Siki.
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna get a killer. I'm gonna get a Masiki. Beans and what? I'm gonna get a Masiki.
And as in?
I'm gonna get a Masiki.
Achicha.
I'm gonna get a Masiki.
Okay.
Okay, can I get an account? Can I get an account? Give me what get an account.
I don't know, the likes of it.
Mba, Mutan Kozo. Okay, the Bunkendi Yoruba. Jioko. Chisom, Agua on a Masigi. Agua on a Masigi.
Do you like beans? Oh, yes.
Agua a Masigi. What combo do you like?
Oh, Jioko.
You can see Agua na Jioko. Chisom, Agua on a Masigi. Agua a Masigi. You do not when somebody is trying to speak the whole language. That's me irritated. Why do you want him to have complaints? You are not even meant to laugh for yourself. Why are you laughing at yourself when you're speaking your language? Why are you laughing? You all come to my Igbo school online. You need to see my students speaking Igbo in America. It's not a joke. You see the way they speak. We teach you to speak confidently so that anytime they come back to Nigeria, nobody will intimidate them. Don't laugh. It's a serious business. That's why your parents paid and left you with me. Do you know what I'm saying? That's why they want you to even stay with this woman. Please, don't laugh. You need to build your confidence. Give them one car. Moi.
Okay, so my moi does not have.
My it's what kind of label. We're gonna get a man a label. My. So you can call it moi, you can call it my. It's okay. Okay? It's not our original name. It was adopted.
I said it.
I don't know. What you got? I don't know. I had the chala nka bo moi the chala ya.
The chalo.
Choma the chala. Go ahead, baby. Come on, you can do it. Go on, baby. Go on.
It's really small.
Offer obere.
Offer
obere. She say no belly, Anambra, obele.
For what?
Obele, the same thing we say obere.
For what English?
Little. She say just a little moment. Yeah, she's okay. It's a chance to go down and cause her.
Aqua.
Yeah.
Aqua also means clothes.
Aqua.
And also means big.
Aqua.
And also means another one.
Right.
Yes.
Aqua.
There's so many.
The only thing you need to look at is the tone mark. Qua. Qua. This came down, this went up, okay? Qua. You can never ever put the Igbo alphabet and the English together. And the English language is a very flat language. It's a very flat language, but the Igbo language is rhythmic. It goes up, it has a high pitch, it has a lower pitch. So what we use to differentiate the pitch to help you with pronunciation, but I a tone mark. You know? I never tone mark over down, alright? Okay? So we're going. Akara is adopted meal. So that's why akara. We also have one very delicious food called okwa. You like it? Okay, so why do you not like okwa?
What's okwa again?
It has one.
Okwa.
It's like
beans.
It's like this. I love it.
Let's shake the shake again. Okwa. That food.
Very sweet.
Very.
I only like the water.
It's how can you like the water without the substance? Okwa is so delicious. Who cooks the okwa? Why don't you like okwa?
It depends on
Who cooks it? It's just like one of my students in US said he doesn't like okwa. And I feel like who cooked the okwa you ate? Who cooked it? Who? You know sometimes people can actually be bad cook. He said the okwa was so strong. I said okwa. Okwa that is usually fluffy. Okwa is very delicious. It's very yummy. Look, okwa is one food you can just cook. So in my home, the best way we prepare okwa for daddy is do not even put salt or pepper. He would eat it and drink the water. For me, I don't need you to do much on the okwa. Just put a little oil, salt, and what? Pepper. Fresh pepper.
Yes, some okwas they are white, some are red.
That's the one that is reddish. It's the one that was added oil.
Okay, that's actually I like those. I like it.
Do you take it with the water?
No, I just take it.
Just try. You eat it, you take the water. Eat it, you take. The water is just like soup. Thick soup. Very nice. Very healthy. It has oil in it. It has enough fiber. It's nutritious. And you know our food is actually a medicine. Okay, let's go to the next.
Why did they put English name of akara?
Akara, my English name. Akara, we're gonna bean cake, boy. See these British people think that they can name everything.
Bean cake.
What is bean cake? My dear, my darling. You know, he's feeling it.
I've never heard that.
He's feeling the bean cake. have their name.
Like the beans is converted.
What is converted? Blended abacha African salad. Anything they are confused about, they'll just give it, blast it one name, African salad. The way the thing annoys me, and then you come and tell me my opa is abambra not pudding. Who told you it's a pudding? Must everything be a pudding? Don't mind them. Alright, so I'm on manya, right? So manya means drink, generally. Manya. So we're gonna do fruits. Over. Miri water. Time up. Miri water. So manya is drink. Miri water. So you can say inka manya, inka miri. I think we have to say people next. We have a 15 minutes recess, and then the say people come from. Are we good?
Yeah.
Are we good?
Everything to it.
Now go down. 20 food. Now go down. Go down. Last. Okay, that's the last. Please. Ask people right fast. Nduku sweet potato. Nduku sweet potato.
Nduku sweet potato.
GBK Irish potato. Go ahead. Say what am I doing?
Who is the person that created this?
So they are our forefathers, our ancestors, people that were here thousands and thousands of years before us. That's why you are complete as an Igbo person. You are complete. You have an origin. Do you understand? So our life did not start after the British.
So please have a question.
Say what am I doing?
So they just talk themselves in language.
Yes.
So how they communicate?
So that mystery is left for God. We can't even know everything. So God gave them the ability to be able to communicate amongst themselves, and then they established the language. And then over time, as they want to name this thing, they will come together and say, what do you think we should call this thing? Let's call it this. And that was how it started. When we did the linguistics, people make language from conditional agreements. Okay, so we are done. Class over. Sit down, Mazi. You will give that and beg your mom to come to the camp again.
Yes.
That means you should not be giving her negative reports from nowhere. Okay. Uncle, next class, I go woman, and adjectives. Come and capture this baby for me. Come and snap my baby, carry her load on her head. Hey, Mama Timo. Hey. Capture me and my baby. Say cheese. Cheese in the window. Can you give me? Say, Mama Nishi. Abiaram. Igbo Sabaka. Never know. Mama Day. Okay.
For the sequel, which sequel sister?
Which one?
The sequel.
No.
Okay, life. Okay,
Real life.
down. Okay.